Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is our segment, How to Solve This, discussion number 19. Now, how to solve this? Paano nga ba natin sagutan ang ating given? 4 raised to 5 plus 4 raised to 5. Is it letter A, 2 raised to 20? Is it letter B, 4 raised to 20? Is it letter C, 2 raised to 11? And letter D, 4 raised to 10. Now, ito yung ating solution. Ituturo ko kung paano ito sagutan. Okay, paano nga ba natin sagutin ito? 4 raised to 5 plus 4 raised to 5. Anong gagawin natin? As we can see, meron tayong addition na operation. Meron din tayong parehas na base, which is 4. Parehas din ang ating exponent na 5. Okay, gagawin natin yung ating expanded form ng addition. Yung process niya. Halimbawa, meron tayong 4 plus 4, which is 8. That is equivalent to our 2 times 4. Okay? Nag-proceed tayo sa multiplication. Ganon din ang gagawin natin dito. So, ibig sabihin, ang 4 raised to 5 plus 4 raised to 5 ay equivalent sa 2 times 4 raised to 5. Nagkaroon tayo ng exponential form. Pero, i-multiply natin sa 2 dahil dalawa nga yung 4 raised to 5. Gawin uli natin 2 times. As we can see, ang 4 raised to 5 ay merong base na 4, which is perfect square. Can be written as equivalent exponential form na 2 squared. Then, kopyahin natin 2 times the quantity of 2 squared that also raised to 5. Meron pa ring exponent 5 sa labas ng quantity. Next, 2 times 2 raised to, okay, sa ating power rule, anong ginagawa natin sa exponent? Minumultiply natin sa power rule. Properties of exponent. 2 times 5 is 10. Therefore, 2 squared that also raised to 5 is equivalent to 2 raised to 10. Now, we have 2 times 2 raised to 10. Now, gamit uli ang ating properties of exponent, automatic ang ating single number ay mayroong degree or exponent na 1. 2 raised to 1 times 2 raised to 10. Product rule naman, anong ginagawa sa product rule? Ang ginagawa natin dito ay ina-add naman natin ang exponent. Copy the base, which is 2. 2 times 1 plus 10 is 11. Therefore, the final answer is 2 raised to 11. Ang ating sagot sa ating choices ay letter C, 2 raised to 11.